You are holy, you're the Lord God Almighty. When you spoke, all the galaxies were formed, everlasting, and your mercy restores my soul. Yet you choose to come and live within my heart.